to show you guys what this company is all about. Okay, so basically I recently emailed this black-owned company called Treasured Locks, and I was reading about them, and they just, you know, seemed like a company that deserved a little bit of recognition, I guess. Let me backtrack a little bit. So basically, after the whole like eco styler thing, I was like, I need to find better companies that have products that won't kill me, pretty much. So I searched up online, did all that, and I found this company called Treasured Locks. I didn't say that right. Anyway, and they seemed like they had a lot to offer. They introduced me to like this new oil called emu oil. I've actually never heard of that in my entire life, but most of their products have that in them. So I was like, why not try it out? It's a black-owned company. It can't do no wrong. You already know. We're here for each other. So first I have this Not No More H2G hair growth leave-in conditioner with emu oil and shea butter. Damn, that's a mouthful. It's for all hair types. It's sulfate free, parabens free. Basically you just treat it like your, hold on, I'm gonna do this thing, see what happens. Ooh, I don't know if you see it. Whatever, you see it, you see it. Anyway, you basically apply it like it's a leave-in conditioner, you know, when your hair is wet. It's supposed to remove tangles and make it easier to finger comb, whatever. I looked online and it said that it was really good for taking out dreadlocks. Good to know. Not that I have dreadlocks or anything, but good to know. I have this H2G Growth Serum with also emu oil and shea oil. Sounds good to me. It kind of spilled in the box, so it's all like oily and shit. Oh, it improves skin tone, reduces inflammation, and stimulates growth. And this one is also organic. Can't really go wrong if you ask me. Let's see. You apply it daily to hair and scalp, massage gently. Can also be used on minor skin irritations. Alright, noted. It strengthens hair, reduces dry scalp, promotes growth, and it's 100% natural. We got shea butter, jojoba oil, vitamin E, emu, olive. Come on now. All about the growth right here. You already know. And I don't know about y'all, but I don't mind hair supplements, hair vitamins. I'm pro vitamin just because I know I'm eating shit that I don't get the right vitamins in anyway. So it's like, why not? So they gave me these Bio Chews with extra strength biotin chewables. Supports hair and nail strength. And nail. Need that. It's strawberry. There's 90 in here, and you take 2 a day and don't exceed 3 a day. Alright, that sounds pretty easy. And this other one is another hair growth supplement with H2G, but it has a lot more vitamins in them, but you only take 2, and this one has like 30 days worth in here. There's like 45 in here and 30 in here. I don't know if I'm gonna do both at the same time, or or if I'm gonna do one and then the other. I don't know, but I will figure it out, and I'll get back to you guys on that one. All right, these next 2 things I was like kind of iffy about. This supernatural curl tamer. It looks like, I just have to cover the light, that's pretty much all. It looks, okay, what I thought it was a relaxer, and I was like, bruh, you're gonna send me a relaxer when I have curly hair and I want to keep it that way? But then I read the directions and it said it's not technically a relaxer. It's supposed to smooth your curls and elongate them. Leave it on for about 30 to 45 minutes, or wow, it even says it can be left on for an hour or more. All right, that's fine. So this is a Hydra Cap, and from the looks of it, it looks like homegirl can put on all your conditioners and shit, aka this thing. It says to put this on and then this. Makes sense. There's 6 of them in here though. That's pretty cool, because I was like, can I reuse it? But there's 6 in here. It locks in moisture, there's no drips, less mess. For regular conditioning, hot oil treatments, and deep conditioning. Damn, they got you. They hit you with all that shit. Okay. And it like compares a regular conditioning cap to this like tight fit, no drip cap. I'm all about that no drip. I mean, came through dripping, but like, I don't want this drip, if that makes sense. Just saying. I don't know. Anyway, back to what I was saying. I'm gonna go wash my hair, you know, detangle it, and I'll be right back with y'all to naturally reduce frizz and make my scalp stronger. See y'all in a bit. This is what my hair looks like without any product after a wash. I mean, it's a little bit frizzy because I just had a t-shirt on it. I didn't really like do anything to it or anything, but I'm gonna put this in the bathroom because it looks really clumpy and gross and probably would fuck up my floor, and my mother would kill me after that. So I'm gonna go put some of this stuff in my hair, and then once I'm almost done, I'll come back and report. Alright, so I quickly learned that I didn't have enough of the whatever this is, of the mix. I cleaned out the bowl. I literally have none left, and I have this fat ass corner right here with nothing really on it. Like, I'm so heavy-handed with shit. Like, it's like all on the bottom. Like, I had my hair section into 4 sections, right? I literally I was starting to run out, and I could tell by the time I was like at the top of this corner, and I started at the bottom. So I was like, oh god, like, this is the thickest part of my head. Like, I knew I was gonna have shit. Like, I was mixing more water, like trying to grab some from the bottom. Like, I look like a hot mess right now. Like, I just couldn't do it. Like, this side basically has nothing in it, like damn near nothing in it. So I guess we'll see what happens. I guess we'll see. And I was right,
this shit's messy as hell, green as hell, and I be sneezing as hell. Like, that shit's crazy.
Later.
Alright, so I took it out. Wow, I look like a hot mess, and I can't see because I don't have my glasses on. But that's fine. It's not in my hair, I don't care. Alright, let's see. Do we see any major differences already? I don't know. I'm gonna have to look when I'm editing. I feel like it's not a huge difference. I mean, not putting it in this corner didn't really make that much of a difference, but it was mostly on the bottom right here. I don't know. Let's put in this leave-in conditioner and growth serum. Let's try these out and see what happens. Can you see it? Can you see what I'm working with? Yeah, fix the light. Look at these curls. Look at them. You can see these curls are ultimately popping, bruh. I don't think my hair's ever been this amazing in my entire life. Like, these curls are so, oh my. Like, and the curls on top of my head are always way looser than the ones that are like on the bottom and shit, but like all of them are just, wow. All right, y'all, well, that was all I had for you today. Thanks for tuning in and watching your girl, watching me unbox this, watching me unbox this dope ass box. I highly recommend Treasured Locks. I will put the link in the description, and I also have a coupon for $5 off your first purchase. You're welcome. So if you want some like this, I got you. Just you know, go down below. You might as well like subscribe while you're at it too, somewhere over there. You might as well do that, you know, get it popping, you know. You could be as popping as my curls, bruh. Bye. I'll see y'all later.